Hello, today I will show you how to make next 2 rounds of a blooming joy blanket. Both of them will be in the same color. So, slip knot and let's start. Okay, we need to start our round 91 with a standing back post single crochet around first front post treble crochet made around corner cluster of 3 treble crochet. So this is our corner cluster of 3 treble crochet, and we have 2 front post treble crochet made around this cluster with chain 1 space in between. So around first one, this one, we need to do standing back post single crochet like this. Now chain 2 and skip chain 1 space and back post single crochet around next front post treble crochet. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. So you repeat for after corner chain 2 and back post single crochet around second front post treble crochet. Your short repeat for this round is chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. And your back post single crochet along this side falls here where we have front post double crochet and back double crochet and chain 1 spaces. Our back post single crochet always falls around double crochet of the side. Only in the corner part we have treble crochet and 3 double crochet, so around first and third of this. So, and you need to continue chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch, and so on until your last back post single crochet will be made around first front post treble crochet of this corner. So around this stitch, just last stitch of this side, just before corner chain 1 space. So I will do all these stitches and we will join you to show how this side looks like. Okay, I am at the end of my side and chain 1, skip next stitch and back post single crochet around next stitch, and this is our last stitch of our side, first front post treble crochet. So, and the side looks like this after it is done. Okay, so this is your repeat for this round and you need to do it 3 more times. So chain 2, skip chain 1 and back post single crochet around next stitch, and then chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet around next stitch, and so on. Okay, continue and I will join you at the end of this round to show you how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Back post single crochet, chain 1, skip next stitch, and now I need to join to my standing back post single crochet with a slip stitch. And at this point round 91 is done. Let's do round 92. So chain 1, this chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch, front post single crochet around same stitch. And now the repeat for this round is in corner chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, front post single crochet around next stitch. And now short repeat for the side of this round, single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next stitch. So and so on until the end of this side, as long as your last front post single crochet will be done around last back post single crochet of the side just before corner chain 2 space. So really easy. Repeat in chain 1 single crochet, front post single crochet around next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next stitch. Okay, so continue around and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round and this is last front post single crochet and single crochet in chain 1 space, and now I need to join to my first front post single crochet with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn because next rounds will be in different colors. Okay, so this is round 92 and it is done. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.